nigga. I got a bad bitch in Manchester, nigga, and she got a real big ol' ass. Yeah, sippin' on codeine with Gabbano. Yeah, and on Glizzard, call me Commando. Nigga, you don't want them killers peeping through your window. Ayy, we call them sticks, aka extendos. Ayy, chillin' with this, all that's my kinfolk. Ayy, play with him, then you got to gizzo. Nigga, do you got insurance? Do you got Geico? Huh? Pocket real fat. Yeah, I think I need lipo.